Well, hello, all my leaders who are pickleball players and all my pickleball players who are leaders. Dr. K here from Pickleball Leadership, where we don't just teach pickleball, we teach leadership through pickleball. Now, let's talk about conflict, whether it's on the court or in the boardroom. We've all been there, right? Two people go for the same shot or the same idea, and bam, you got chaos. So, how do we fix it? Well, with a little drill that I call it out. Now, this drill is a fun one and it's easy to try. Now, here's how it works. You and your partner stand at the kitchen line, and a coach or a fellow player positions themselves on the opposite side of the net. Now, this player then starts hitting balls to you and your partner. Now, the goal is to keep the ball in play while calling out who's going to take each shot. You can say, I got it, or just mine. Now, the key is to communicate clearly and consistently. Now, your coach starts by hitting balls that clearly belong to you. And as you become more comfortable, the coach then starts hitting shots that either of you can get. And then they increase the pressure by hitting shots that aren't clearly the responsibility of either one of you. Now, this forces you and your partner to have clear and concise communication. Now, as you try this drill, keep these 3 tips in mind. Be clear. Say it loud enough for your partner to hear. No mumbling. Number 2, be timely. Don't wait until the last second to call the shot. And number 3, adapt. If your partner misses a call, step in, but don't criticize. It's all about solving the problem, not pointing fingers. Now, this is just one of the ways that pickleball teaches skills. Now, for more drills and lessons that you can use right away, grab a copy of the Pickleball Leadership Playbook. And if you want to take it to the next level, book a workshop, and we'll help you put these leadership lessons into action on the court.